Okay, hello guys, good. Oh, la. Good morning, everyone. I'm not feeling well. It's our third day here in Bohol, and currently naata karon sa Tagbilaran City, and we are going back to Cebu. So today our destination is Toledo, tita ni Totz. Okay, here's our breakfast.
A few moments later.
Nagdaghan ang dala karon compare kahapon. It's because of the ginagmay na pasalubong. Yun, just a summary lang among stay diri sa Bayan Bohol. Pagpara to. Uy, hala. Uy, thank you. Thank you. Much ibalik nila ang mga SS. Akong SSS na ID. It's very important. Okay guys, finally we are here sa Tagbilaran Port, and it's already 8:30 in the morning, and we were not able to catch the 8:15 na sa tawag galing na biyahe. Kaya na si Totz, klaro kaya wala na tingog-tingog kaya gisapot na siya. So wala may kabot sa 8:15 na biyahe. Ano siya ka. So yun, so we are waiting here. Okay, 11 AM pa naman biyahe. And this is our ticket. Makasakay na give me for ka. Gisapot na siya, gisapot. Miss. Oy. Guys, finally we arrived here at Cebu City, and we are currently booking a Grab car or Grab taxi, and that was a long 2 hours ride. Grabe ko sugmang kita kay madagan ang kaning supercut. Finally, we found the Grab. So we are on our way to southbound terminal. Salamat kayo kinuha ni Kuya. Ito yung pang mga Tonya, Toledo.
A few moments later.
In the year 2005,
Currently watching a movie, Tuxedo.
today, bottled water costs more per gallon than gasoline. We, my friends, are the new oil barons. We Atlantic Springs.
Finally,
Yeah, this question is
actually we took lunch tapos nakanyo yung bus going to Toledo. Toledo is where sa Ante Mameng. Pag-abot dito, nagsilong pagkaon. Nakan pagkaon dito. Lagyan ng pagkaon dito. Ha? Kandeng naman.
Who am I kidding? I have no idea.
A few moments later.
Amin din ko.
Busayo lang kaayo. Pwede rin pagyaw ninyo sa GR. Yung motor lang sina.
Wala po yung anak? Wala pa.
Patawon te.
Yung balay ng card. Ayaw pa kami na dito sa
Good afternoon. Currently, abot agad mi sa Toledo. Diri ni sa tita ni Totz. Nag-boots. Nag-boots. Biyahe is around more than 2 hours para makaabot diri. And napay gamay na i-hike. Kaya medyo lapok kitang area. Okay, hello guys, good. Oh, it's good afternoon, and yes, finally after 10 minutes of walking at around 200 meters na lapok, pero enjoy man siya. Naabot na gid mi sa balay nila Ate Ninet, and karon ng mga bata. Probably free na ang dinner, free na ang tawag ani ang breakfast, and ready na po ang mong room daw. Ay, salamat ako kakuloy na gini. And karon is probably mag-edit ng mga videos kay para i-anda man ako sa mga pag-upload. And boots for life. Okay guys, good evening, and yes, we are ready to go to bed, and I am so excited. Mali ang amo ang daanan karon. Yeah, I love it.